Hello. In this video, I want to show you how to perform Granger Causality Test of time series, okay, using R. And first, a few key points about the Granger Causality Test. It tests whether past values of one time series improve the prediction of another series beyond what that series' own past values can explain. So this is what I call it a predictive causality. Okay? The null hypothesis X does not Granger cause Y, meaning lagged X has no additional predictive power for Y. And the test compares two models, one with only lagged Y and one with lagged Y plus lagged X. And it uses an F-test or chi-square world test in some formulations. A small p-value, example less than 0.05, leads you to reject the null, concluding that X Granger causes Y at the chosen lag order. Granger causality is about predictive causality, not true structural or causal mechanisms. Omitted variables and non-stationality can invalidate interpretation. And you should test both directions, X to Y or Y to X, because Granger causality can be unidirectional, bidirectional, or absent. All right, let me show you how you can do it in R. We need a package called lmtest. So we're gonna load that in, set random seed, n equal to 200 data points. Then I use the arima.sim function to simulate a time series with model list equal AR equal 0.7 and n equal to n. So I'll put into the capital letter X, and I'll create another series Y, AR1 with influence from lag 1 to 2 of X. So first, just create an empty shell, so numeric vector size n, and then a Y of 1 to 2, we simulate arima model the list of AR equal to 0.5 and equal to 2. And then we recalculate the Y value starting from 3 n of the n, that Y of t is 0.6 times Y of t minus 1 plus 0.3 times x t minus 1 plus 0.2 times x t minus 2 plus a normal random error. Okay. So now Y value has updated, and we combine this into multiple time series with TS C bind XY frequency equal to 1. Okay. And now we can perform the Granger test. X Granger cause Y. We use the function Granger test. The syntax is Granger test of Y tiered X. So like Y regression X. Order equal to 2. And data equal to TS data, where we have both the X and Y time series in there. And it's pretty quick. It comes up with this output. You can see it's a Granger causality test. It tells you model 1 is Y tiered lag Y 1 to 2 plus lags X of 1 to 2. Model 2 is Y regress on lag Y of 1 to 2. Okay. And then the F-test compares this model 1 versus model 2. And if we look at the p-value, this p-value is highly, highly significant. Okay. And that indicate in this test, this is X Granger causes Y. Okay. So we can check the other direction, which is let's see here, whether Y Granger causes X. Okay. And from the data creation process, we know Y is a function of X, right? So it's no surprise that as Granger causes Y, but X does not depend on Y in any way. So we should expect a not significant result. So we use Granger test, the X tiered Y, order equal to 2, data equal to TS underscore data. And you can see the results here. Model 1 is x regress on legs x1 to 2 plus legs y1 to 2 versus model 2x is regressed on legs x1 to 2. And you can see this f-test yielded a p-value of 0.28, which is larger than 0.05. So the conclusion is y does not Granger causes x. Okay. All right. So this video shows you, what a Granger causality test is for time series and how to actually perform it for two time series. Okay. Hope you like this video, and I will make another video on conditional Granger causality test. Pay attention to that upcoming video. Thanks for watching.